how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't matter or that you probably don't care about just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for K MOOC right now and share just the key things about each so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab the whole research doc for free and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for K MOOC and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for K MOOC. Why? Well, it works seamlessly with K MOOC platforms. Pretty important, right? Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and great download and upload speeds. All crucial for smooth streaming and participating in K MOOC sessions. Features? It has the most features, period. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Pretty cheap for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, not at all, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available, so your study sessions and data stay private and secure. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and priced right for what you get. Negatives? There's a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for K MOOC is IPVanish. Why? It's straightforward, no BS, built for pure performance. Perfect for uninterrupted K MOOC streaming and access. Speed? Incredibly fast, with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth video and content delivery. Features? All the essentials for remote learners, plus a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route just your K MOOC traffic through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there, usually cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? No logs, and that's independently audited, by the way. Encryption? Top-notch encryption, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might make privacy nerds nervous. Plus, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for smooth K MOOC sessions and great value. Third best for K MOOC is private internet access, PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Fantastic if you want to access K MOOC content from different regions. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you'll always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby, minimizing buffering during live lectures or tutorials. Features? Loaded. Kill switch? Great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium choice on this list. Support's pretty good and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based, and the app isn't quite as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a huge network and advanced features for K MOOC. And that's it, my top 3 picks for K MOOC: NordVPN, IPVanish, and private internet access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos alone, you'll be fine, because they just work perfectly for K MOOC. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for K MOOC, premium experience, most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN for K MOOC with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price. Thanks for your time. Now, go pick one. And let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.